Hello my viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to my channel Masakanibudewi. Today I would like to share my Asian chili garlic prawn recipe. Let's go and check out the ingredients. 100 gram of prawn, 1 inch of ginger finely chopped, 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 5 tablespoons of chili sauce, half cucumber cut it cube, 1 green chili, 1 red onion, 1 tomato cut it cube. Heat up the pan and add in 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and put the garlic and ginger. Stir fry until turn golden brown. Then we put the soy sauce and chili sauce. Mix it little bit. And we add in the prawn. We mix it well. Before that, I stir fry the prawn with sesame oil. Once it's done, we add in the onion, cucumber, tomato and green chili. We stir it for 15 seconds, then we can turn off the flame. Lastly, we sprinkle some paprika and sesame seed. Well done my viewers! Asian chili garlic prawn recipe less than 10 minutes are ready to be served with hot rice. Thank you for watching my video and I hope you will try this simple recipe at home. And don't forget to click like, subscribe and share my recipe to all your friends and your family members. See you next time and bye bye.